Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at a straightforward process, how to convert a Microsoft Word document into a Google Doc. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. On the left-hand side, click on the New button, then select File Upload. Browse your computer for the Word document you want to convert, select it, and click Open. Once the upload is complete, locate the file in your Google Drive. Now, here's the important part. Instead of just double-clicking it, right-click on the uploaded Word document. In the menu that appears, hover over Open With and select Google Docs. Your file will now open in a new tab as a fully editable Google Doc while keeping all of your original formatting intact. From here, any changes you make will be saved automatically to this new Google Doc. Your original Word file will still be safe in your drive. And that is it, a quick and easy conversion. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching ClearTask, and I will see you in the next one.